Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your main menu, the sub menu for that. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the graphical user interface, and currently we're looking at the main menu. So now, in today's one, we're going to be looking at the update menu. I'll just zoom in here for you guys so you can have a better look. And then, yeah, so it is the third menu, update, and then we've got a number of things under here. Now, you will notice most of these are grayed out. There's about 3 of them it's not. And then they will become active depending on what you're doing. So for instance, if I have a shape selected here in my sheet metal, go to update, now you'll see most of the top ones are available. But you might also have noticed on your secondary toolbar, a lot of these things also became available. So as you can see, they're grayed out, are selected, they become available. So that already is a hint that most of what you'll find under this update menu, not all of it, but 90% of it, you'll be finding on this toolbar as well. So if you don't use the tooltips like we mentioned previously in another video, you can always just go your update and go find the tool you're looking for. Now there's quite a number of them, so we will go through each individual in depth in future videos, and then also a few practicals on how to finally use it all together. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the update menu. You'll pretty much find everything like I mentioned on your secondary toolbar. So just as a quick recap. But yeah, otherwise, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also update your, or should I say, isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one. Cheers.